Okay, what I recommend people with tight hips is like using a 4-inch ball, lying down on the ball on their belly to release the tension in their belly, the psoas muscles. I don't like to talk muscles because it's the connective tissue that covers muscles and organs and everything. Ball is gonna help. Lying down on the ball, pressing on the tight tissues in the abdomen can relieve the pain on the hips, and also you can do some like some stretches, stretching your inner thighs, holding along those butterfly exercises that they do in yoga, and you hold it minimum 5 minutes. That is long time.